Hello friends, welcome back. So today we're gonna go to a pumpkin patch and I wanted to document it, so I'm gonna bring you guys along with us. My husband's not gonna go with us to this one because we've already done one pumpkin patch and a apple orchard this year, but we get an extra day of fall break. So I thought, hey, let's go take advantage of it. Let's go to the pumpkin patch and play, get some energy out. So that's what we're gonna do. And I thought I would bring you guys along with us. So come join in on the fun. We're all ready to go. It's a little heifer. I know, they do stink.
Yeah, we wash them. We wash them more. But let's just get into that.
You gonna pet them, Leah? These are camels.
Oh, camels.
Oh, now this one's having fun at the pumpkin patch. There's a ton of animals here. The kids are having a blast. There's not a whole lot of like activities for them to do, but it's still fun to see all the animals. They got to ride a camel and Leah got to ride a pony. So their days have been set. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, leave us a comment below, subscribe if you're new so you don't miss any videos like it, and we'll see you in the next one, friends. Bye-bye.